Your diesel engine is a powerhouse, but a single sensor error like the P2040 can put your truck into limp mode and cost you thousands in repairs if you ignore it. This diagnostic trouble code is a generic powertrain code that is applied to many vehicles since 1996, including big names like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Dodge Sprinter trucks. When your truck stores a P2040, it means the powertrain control module has detected way too much voltage in the reductant injection air pressure sensor A circuit. To keep up with strict United States emission standards, your diesel uses a selective catalytic reduction system that works alongside the exhaust gas recirculation and diesel particulate filter. This system injects a special diesel exhaust fluid into the exhaust stream using a precise valve to help the catalytic converter work better and last longer. The powertrain control module, or a separate controller, monitors everything from oxygen levels to exhaust temperature to know exactly when to spray that fluid. The supply pump builds up pressure in the system, and the sensor monitors that pressure to make sure there are no leaks. If you see this code, you might notice a big drop in your fuel economy, excessive black smoke coming out of your tailpipe, and your engine just won't have the same kick it used to. It might even trigger other related codes. The most common reasons for this are a broken pressure sensor, wires that have shorted out or opened up, or maybe a glitchy controller that needs a software update. You should treat this as a severe problem because a broken system can lead to permanent damage to your expensive catalytic converter. To fix it, start by checking the whole system for any fluid leaks while the pump is running. You can even use a manual fuel pressure tester to see if the readings match what the computer thinks is happening. Use a digital volt ohm meter to test the sensor itself and the wiring going back to the computer. Make sure you disconnect the controllers before testing the wires, so you do not fry the computer. Many times, this code happens because the supply pump is leaking internally. If you find a leak or a sensor that does not meet the manufacturer's specifications, it is time to swap those parts out. If the wiring looks good and the sensor tests fine, you might need a professional to look at the programming of your control module. Since this system is so critical for passing emissions and protecting your engine, you should head to a certified technician as soon as possible if basic visual checks do not solve the issue.